Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Settings and heading straight to Privacy or App Permissions. This is the only reliable path to control microphone access on modern devices. Tap Microphone, locate the exact app or browser you will use, and flip the permission on. Once done, make sure to accept any system confirmation that appears. Many apps require a restart to register the change. If you skipped a prompt earlier, go back here and enable it now. This first step is decisive for everything that follows. You now verify the specific app or browser settings. This is where audio actually gets routed. In the app, pick the input device and adjust sample rate if supported, because mismatches cause silence or distortion. For browsers, click the Site Pad or lock icon, confirm microphone access for that tab, and choose the right device. Once done, inspect system sound settings to confirm the default microphone is the one you want, and disable virtual devices that could intercept audio. This prevents conflicting input paths. You finish by testing. Record a short clip or place a test call to verify the mic captures your voice clearly. Make sure gain and levels look correct and that no mute buttons, hardware, app, or tab are active. If you still have no audio, restart the device and reopen the app. Drivers often need that reinitialization. Finally, if the system fails to recognize the microphone, reinstall or update the driver. This tends to resolve stubborn hardware detection errors and restores the only reliable access method.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.